In previous video, I already discussed about the combined curvature correction and refraction correction. But before that, we should have to know about the geodetic survey. In geodetic survey, if the area is large, so we consider it as geodetic survey. So हमने before understanding about the curvature correction and combined correction and refraction correction, हमको जियोडेटिक सर्वे का एक बेसिक नॉलेज होना बहुत जरूरी था. बट इन प्रीवियस लेक्चर आई गॉट फॉरगेट, so sorry for that. In this video, first of all, I will discuss about that particular topic. So write down geodetic survey. In this survey, in this method of surveying the surface of earth is considered is not considered as plane. So it means the shape of curvature is the shape of it means the shape of curvature is taken. Okay, so मतलब हम क्या करते हैं जियोडेटिक सर्वे में, हम जो अर्थ का शेप है, एक्चुअल शेप, उसको क्या कंसीडर कर देते हैं. सो here the area is large. इट मीन्स आपका जो एरिया है ऑफ सर्वेइंग का क्या हो जाएगा, वो क्या होगा, लार्ज होगा. सो इन जियोडेटिक सर्वे हम कर्वेचर इफेक्ट को टेकन कर लेते हैं, मतलब जो आपका एरिया उसको प्लेन नहीं कंसीडर करते हैं, एंड द एरिया इज कंसीडर्ड लार्ज एरिया है, दैट्स व्हाई. सो in geodetic survey, some important line as a point we should know about that. So for your better understanding, हम क्या करेंगे, उन पॉइंटों को पहले डिस्कस कर लेंगे. So here now if we talk about in these important topics, so what we will do, so हम क्या करेंगे, उन पॉइंटों को समझने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, एक डायग्राम की हेल्प से, with the help of an diagram we will understand these point. So here is it. So this is mean sea level, this is the ground level, this is your GL ground level, this is your instrument is set up, your instrument setup, and this is your instrument is set up over the ground level, and this is the horizontal line, and this line is deflected line, and this line is your level line. Okay, so horizontal line is that line which is taken considered as the bubble tube as in center. ठीक है, बबल ट्यूब जब आपके सेंटर पे होंगी, सो जो लाइन आपके स्टाफ में रीडिंग में नोट की जाती है, वो जो एक इमेजिनरी लाइन कंसीडर की जाती है, वो क्या होती है, आपकी हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन और लाइन ऑफ साइट. ड्यू टू रिफ्रैक्शन करेक्शन, अब आपके जो ड्यू टू रिफ्रैक्शन क्या होता है, जो आपकी हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन वो क्या हो जाती है, डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में क्या हो जाती है, शिफ्ट हो जाती है, एंड दिस लाइन इज कैन नोन एज द deflected line. Okay. This line is deflected line. Level line, as you know, level line. Okay, this is an imaginary line taken all around of the earth's surface. Ground level, which is known as at which particular location we are going to set your instrument. Okay, हम अपने और mean sea level, it is a 19-year fluctuation. With the help of these things we can understand the next point is combined correction. So for that, due to refraction, this line is deflected line due to refraction. Okay, so this is your deflected line. So if we talk about that, so अब हम बात करेंगे कि कैसे हम अपने पर्टिकुलर कंबाइंड करेक्शन की हेल्प से हम टोटल एक करेक्शन को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू इरेज इट. ओके, combined, next point is combined correction. Okay, so combined correction with adding both correction, both is refraction correction and curvature correction, we know the combined correction. Okay, so combined correction, next point is, that is third correction, combined correction. Okay, so combined correction, that is your C. Okay, CC is curvature correction, CR is your refraction correction, and C is your combined correction. So this correction is the sum of combined curvature correction and refraction correction. Okay, this is the sum of, by adding both these correction we get the value of combined correction. So with the help of diagram we can easily understand it. Okay, if you people have write down this definition. So this is the C equals to CC plus CR. So value of C equals to, value of CC is 0.0785 d square, and value of E equals to 0.11112. Value of combined correction is 0.112, maybe this value is 112 d square, and this is always be negative and this value is positive, and the value of combined correction is always be negative. So this value will be 3760.0 d square. Okay, so this is the total value of here, d square in kilometer and c is in meter. So आपको ये कोई ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट नहीं है, इसको आप डायरेक्टली इस तरीके से याद रख सकते हैं कि फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू शुड हैव ओनली रिमेंबर इट इज कर्वेचर करेक्शन को आप याद रख लीजिए. एंड द कर्वेचर करेक्शन, नाउ इफ यू वांट टू गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ रिफ्रैक्शन करेक्शन multiplied by 1/7 into CC, so you will get the value of this, and by adding the both value, so you will get the final answer. So negative, the combined correction is always comes in negative. So this is the whole formula which is used in the combined correction. So right now we are going to understand this point. If we are going to understand this point, so how we can understand it? So now this is the diagram, this is your staff. Okay, this is your label or whatever instrument you are using, auto label. So this is your staff is set at here. This is your level line or horizontal line. This is your deflected line. Actually in the surveying, this line is here. Okay, so we are going, the line of sight should to be in horizontal, but in actual due to refraction जो आपकी line of sight होती है, होनी तो यहाँ पे चाहिए थी आपकी, कहाँ पे, horizontal, but it got it deflected, so that's why this line is not in here. So this is comes at here, so reading will be, अब आपकी जो रीडिंग आएगी उसमें there will be an error, so this error is taken, so this line is level line, this line is level line, and this is your ground level, so this is your ground level. Okay, GL. Okay. So this is your instrument. So now we are going to taking the reading at particular location. Okay, and this is your mean sea level. So this is the taken. If we are going to taken your reading, so the total reading of staff is the staff, total reading of the staff, total reading of staff is, so इसको हम फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे बिफोर नोइंग दैट. सो अब हम क्या करेंगे, जो C की वैल्यू है वो क्या होती है आपकी, दिस इज CC and this is CR and this whole is C. Okay, it means combined correction. So this value will be CC, your CC, and this is your CR. So this is the complete. Okay, this is your complete C. Okay, C. If we are considered it is as A, B or C, this point is to be, this point is A and this point is B. Okay, so now अब क्या होगा, अब हमको फाइंड आउट करना है, दिस इज द रीडिंग इज टेकन बाय स्टाफ, this is the value is H. So the correct value, the corrected staff reading is, in actually what we are going to measure, this is not H. H is from ground level to the point of deflected level. Okay, जहाँ तक ये deflect हुआ है, this complete value distance is to be measured with the H. So if we are going to find the total value and correct the total reading or the total reading of staff or corrected reading, so this will be H plus this H plus value of C, and here the value of C is because we know chunki the value of C is minus 0.0673 d square. So this is the correct value, H minus 0.00673 d square. This is the complete value if we are going to measuring with the help of staff. So corrected staff reading is, so corrected staff reading is this value is the corrected staff reading with the help of, so with the help of these three correction we can find the actual reading which is comes over the staff, we can find with the help of these three correction. So here we are right now, अब हम बात करेंगे if we have, हमको क्या, अगर हमको फाइंड आउट करनी है क्या, रीडिंग फाइंड लेवल फाइंड आउट करना है बिलो द रूफ ऑफ एनी स्लैब, तो हमको कौन सा स्टाफ यूज करना पड़ेगा. सो राइट नाउ एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक, अगर हमको क्या है, कोई आपकी स्लैब है, दिस इज योर होम, दिस इज योर बिल्डिंग. ओके, if you are going to measure, this is your building, so if you are going to measure, this is the slab comes out. Okay, so अगर आपको इसके नीचे this particular location के below आपको क्या करना है, लेवलिंग करनी है, मतलब रूफ के जो सोफिट पॉइंट होता है, सोफिट. ओके, सोफिट, रूफ का जो आपका सोफिट पॉइंट होता है उसकी अगर आपको रीडिंग फाइंड आउट करनी है तो अब हम स्टाफ को हॉरिजेंटली तो रख नहीं पाएंगे, क्योंकि आपका लेवल क्या है, एक पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन पे सेटअप हुआ है, ठीक है ना। तो आपका जब लोकेशन एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पे सेटअप है, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, अब हम क्या करेंगे अपने स्टाफ को राइट नाउ, आपका पहले आप स्टाफ, दिस इज योर पर्टिकुलर instrument setup, and but in previous case we are going to measure leveling in, this is your staff. So right now प्रायर आपका जो स्टाफ था वो कुछ ऐसे रखा हुआ था हॉरिजेंटली, और राइट नाउ अब हम क्या करेंगे, इफ वी आर गोइंग टू मेजर, दिस इज योर सोपिट पॉइंट राइट नाउ वी आर कंसिडरिंग, सो अब हम क्या करेंगे, अपने जो आपका स्टाफ है उसको क्या कर देंगे, इन्वर्टेड कर देंगे, इट मीन्स उल्टा कर देंगे. विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस we can know the point of particular location, we can know the particular elevation of that point. okay, तो हम उसकी हाइट को मेजर कर लेंगे कि कितनी डिस्टेंस पे आपका जो सोफिट है या रूफ जो है उसकी एक पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन कितनी दूर है. ओके, सो नाउ विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस we can find out with the help of inverted staff we can find out this. So this is all about your inverted staff. If we are going to, we can understand inverted staff. okay, inverted staff. So inverted staff, so what we do in inverted staff, ये आपका कोई socket point है. okay, this is your socket point. If we are going to measure, this is your instrument setup, this is your ground level, this is your ground level, and this is the back side, and this is the RL is given as 100, and the back side reading is, and the back side reading from the particular location instrument setup, and the height of instrument we can say that. So back side reading is 2.1 or 2 point, not 2.1, it is 2.5, and you have to find the value of below this soffit point. okay, so आपको क्या करनी है, below the आपका जो रूफ है उसके बिलो आपकी रीडिंग फाइंड आउट करनी है. तो व्हाट वी डू, वी टेक योर स्टाफ एज अ इन्वर्टेड, सो फ्रॉम हियर वी कैन फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ योर soffit point. So here what we have to do, if we are going to find out the value of RL of reduced level of that particular point, so if we are going to RL of that particular point, so RL of A plus this is backside, this is backside plus the value of your the reading which comes over the this may be H1, so this will be H1, so you can get the RL, and this point is considered to be A and this point is B, so RL of B, so RL of B will be RL of A plus backside plus H1. So this is the concept of inverted staff. With the help of inverted staff you can know the value. okay, so if you want to reading the leveling instrument, a leveling staff is inverted, a leveling staff is inverted in leveling work, just in leveling work just to find the RL of base, RL of roof base, RL of base of roof. okay, अगर रूफ के बेस का आपको क्या RL फाइंड आउट करना है, सो इन्वर्टेड स्टाफ इज यूज्ड. ओके, so this is a concept all about the inverted staff. So next point is to be discussed is that is very important point, and that is reciprocal labeling. And reciprocal labeling is used, and reciprocal labeling वहाँ पे यूज की जाती है if we have some valley and dispersed obstruction like river, valley, pond and etc, in which at midpoint we cannot set up your instrument, so at that particular location we use reciprocal labeling. Okay, so reciprocal labeling में क्या करते हैं, अब यहाँ पे क्या करते हैं कि रेसिप्रोकल लेवलिंग वहां पे यूज की जाती